Well guys, a lot of people were leaving the Subaru brand when they had kids because Subaru didn't have a vehicle to fit their lifestyle. But now Subaru have a fat new big model, and that's PH80.
Subaru owners have been begging for it, and now that it's here they could not be more excited. The Ascent holds 7 or 8 passengers, depending on the configuration that you choose. It has 4 trim levels to choose from, starting with the very basic, called the base, and going up to the touring trim. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and Subaru's famous symmetrical all-wheel drive, it is a hearty off-roader. We took a fleet of the new Ascents to a working quarry on the Oregon coast to get them nice and dirty. Subaru pride themselves on an X-Mode feature, so owners can operate this family SUV in rugged terrain. It provides some increased control downhill, creating less anxiety for the non-experienced driver to take a more hostile road.
Alright, under the hood there is a 4-cylinder engine. Interesting that Subaru decided not to put the 3.6 in this vehicle, but the 4 they said was adequate, and I have to tell you, after driving it, it is adequate.
Subaru considered family needs with creating significant cargo space for the vehicle, with up to 17.8 cubic feet behind the third row and 45.5 cubic feet with the third row lowered, and then up to 86.5 cubic feet with the second and third rows lowered. Just to make sure nobody complains in the family, 19 cup holders. If 8 people in the car have 2 drinks each, that gives you 3 more cup holders than you can possibly use. The Subaru brake hold is one of my favourite features. When engaging it, it allows the driver to take their foot off the brake while keeping the car stationary. Useful when you need to lean back and take care of unruly kids.
New Subaru Ascent starting at $32,000 and arriving at dealerships as we speak. I'm Nick Miles.